think we're about to be spraying the second skin stuff, and we're gonna be doing their spectrum coating. And then we're also gonna be doing a foam on top of that. We'll get to that later once we install that. But we went through and cleaned out and hosed out the inside of the bus. We got the firewall and the dash done. Bus is running, driving. We fixed a little bit of rust on the floor, power washed it like I said, and then we're gonna be running the spectrum stuff all the way from the walls down to the floor and up to the other side. So it'll be covered and it's gonna make it this sound like you're way thicker. So that's gonna cut down on our noise a lot, and then especially once we add the foam and then the wood on top, this thing's gonna be quiet, super quiet. It's like gonna be sitting at your desk in your office. So I'm excited for it. If you haven't seen second skin stuff, you better check it out because it's pretty rad. All right, so Kenny just got finished spraying the spectrum coating on the inside of the bus, walls and floor. It looks like a black tunnel now, which is hard. Looks good. It laid out really, really nice. We can already tell a difference between one panel and another. We got some more stuff to lay down on the floor to also dampen more sound. But while this is curing, it's gonna take about, what, 32 hours?
32.
Yeah, 32 hours to fully cure, so we can't walk on it or anything.
So it's at least 24 hours till you can put reupholstery back in, since we don't have that.
Right, but
and then a week before you can lay paint or anything
that.
else.
So, right, in the meantime, we're gonna be doing some body work on some of the stuff we've done on the outside, but we wanted to get this laid so we have the rest of this week and the weekend for it to dry. But yeah, it looks good, sounds good. We'll do a, once it's dry, we'll do a walkthrough and we'll show you how quiet it is. Next steps is just body work. We're gonna leave it in the body shop for probably the next week or so, and we're gonna knock out this side panel over here.